fish,
Wait, what do we have today?
red fish, shrimp,
Fresh shrimp, straight off the boat.
squid,
Squid of the free.
oyster,
Fresh oysters.
and stuffed
Oh my God, look at that soft shell crab. Oh my God, look at that.
Chưa tới mùng 1.
Look at that. This is some fresh red fish. That's super fresh. Oh my God. Oh dang, it's so fresh. Can't smell anything as it makes me. Look at a couple of these. Look at that. Look how nice and clean that is. I spent all morning cleaning that. Oh, that's a little bit of fried chicken.
Look, guava in California.
Oh, we got California guava?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that. That's a guava there. Oh my gosh, look at those. Put those away. Look at how many of those thingies. Put those in the freezer. You don't need that right now. You leave the chicken for the chicken people. Whoa, look at that turkey. Oh my God, I can smell it, the smoky goodness. It took me 8 hours to make this turkey. I hope you all like my turkey. Got a little bit of green stuff going on. This is gonna go in the hot pot. Pan en español.
How are you?
Hello. We're getting ready. We're getting ready. You ready? We're gonna be ready very soon. Dang, what is?
That's the broth.
Oh, this is the broth. This is for the hot pot.
Yeah, for the hot pot.
Now what's this?
And this is the dessert.
This is, oh my God, I can smell
That's
dessert. This smells.
that's the coconut milk.
This
with
super
independent leaf.
Southeast Asian. Look at this fresh water. That's for the mi chang. That's for the mi chang.
That's what.
Let's discover what's in here. Oh, that's it. Is that chocolate chip cookies? Do they have any? Oh shit, sorry. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna get in trouble. I was just checking to see if they have anything extra in those chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, chocolate chip cookies.
Anything extra?
No,
From
not
scratch?
yet. Yeah, that's from
Or
scratch.
not yet? You don't need extra? You can't trust the pharmacist. You never know what they're gonna put in it. Extra.
Extra. Some
You see, that's how they answer you when you're in the drugstore and you ask what you got in it. Look, we got some Southern California cassava.
mới làm thêm mới lò nữa.